Ocean Cay was originally an industrial island just a short cruise away from Miami, but it always had the potential to be much, much more, and that's where MSC stepped in. The centerpiece of MSC's tropical renovation was a brand new island lighthouse. MSC tasked the department with creating a permanent light art show on the lighthouse to display and celebrate the island and its transformation into a marine reserve for up to 5,000 guests daily. The department came up with a solution to use LED within the lighthouse structure so that it could withstand the island challenges, combating high winds, hurricanes, and the salty sea air. With that in mind, the department custom-built and purpose-manufactured 20,000 LED pixels that were retrofitted into the lighthouse structure, one pixel at a time. Our animation team then came up with two fantastic shows. Each show needed to ensure superb viewing opportunities from all across the bay, as well as a clear design fit for its purpose. Down in the server room, our teams worked hard on programming the animation. Each of the 20,000 pixels needed mapping individually to receive the data. And the results? Well, they were amazing. The first show celebrated the island's life, the flora, the fauna, butterflies and birds. The second show delved into the crystal blue ocean to tell the story of the marine life. A combination of engineering and creativity came together to create something truly magnificent.